Today we are going to be going over how to find sector area. So the first thing you need to know is what is a sector. A sector is an area that is formed between the center of the circle and two endpoints. So here it is formed so the sector would be named POQ. Okay, so here are the two endpoints, and here is our center point. Okay, that is what a sector is. So this shaded area is your sector. So the formula that you need to know to find the sector area is that the M, so the measure of the angle, so measure of arc, okay? So the measure of this is what you need to know, okay? Times pi r squared, where r is the radius. That is how you will use, this is the formula that you need to use. So we're going to use an example. So this example it gives us the measure. So M is equal to 120 degrees. And my R is equal to 15 millimeters. Okay, so I'm just going to use my equation, which is A equals M over 360 times pi r squared. Gives me 120 over 160 times 15 squared. Which I plug this in, and I reduce this fraction here to get 1/3 times 225 pi. Okay, so in order to multiply by a fraction, you do 225 times 1 divided by 3, which gives you an answer of 75 pi, which you can just plug into your calculator, and that'll give you an answer of 235.5 millimeters squared. So we're going to do another example. Here we have M, okay, is equal to 210 degrees. And radius is equal to 3 inches. So we do M over 360 times pi r squared. 210 over 360 times pi 3 squared. So you're going to reduce this fraction, which gives you 7 over 12 times 9 pi. So you do 9 times 7, which is 63. 63 over 12, which will be reduced to 21 over 4 pi. And when you plug that into your calculator, it gives you 16.49 inches squared. And for our final example, our M is equal to 131 degrees. And our R is equal to 12M. So we're going to do 131 over 360 times pi 12 squared. Okay, so 131 over 360 is difficult to reduce. So if you're me, you just do 131 over 360 times 144 pi. So you do 131 times 144, and then you divide that by 360, and that gives you 52.4 pi, which you then plug into your calculator, and that gives you 164.54 meters squared. And that is how you find the area of a sector.